Forgotten username recovery failed on Questrade Fix. You try to recover your Questrade username, but the recovery tool keeps saying we can't find your account. It's frustrating, especially when you're locked out of your investments. The surprising truth is, most of the time, the problem isn't with Questrade's system at all. It's usually a mix-up with your email, login type, or browser settings. Let's go through how to fix it step by step. First, remember that Questrade usernames are tied to your specific email on record. If you've ever used multiple emails, maybe one for personal use and another for business, double-check which one you used to register your Questrade account. Searching your inbox for old Questrade statements or trade confirmations can help identify the correct email. Next, try recovering your username from Questrade's official sign-in page. Enter your registered email carefully. Even one wrong letter can block recovery. If you don't get the recovery email within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. Another common issue happens if you created your account using a partner service like Questrade Edge or Questrade Global. Each of these platforms may have separate login credentials, so make sure you're using the right portal that matches your original registration. If that still doesn't work, clear your browser cache, disable autofill extensions, and try again using an incognito window. Cached data sometimes prevents Questrade's system from recognizing your login attempt. If you've tried all this and still can't recover your username, contact Questrade support directly. Have your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your linked account ready for verification. Their team can securely send your username or reset it for you. Most people get this wrong because they forget how tightly Questrade separates its platforms and email logins. Once you match the right one, recovery takes just minutes.